Got a protein shake. This motherfucker smack. So basically, I'm gonna be showing you how to do a streetwear, like a promo video, a clothing line promo video. You can use this for fashion if you need to, high fashion if you need to. But it's mostly, I'm gonna be using it for a streetwear line because that's what we're actually doing today. So I'm gonna show you different shots, how to pose the models, everything like that. In another video, I'm gonna show you guys actually how to shoot streetwear portraits. But today, I'm just gonna show you how to do the video. With that in mind, after I get done eating my chicken and my spinach and all that shit like that,
Boy, what about the fuck?
my after workout like meal and shit, we can go ahead and get it started. So I'll see y'all in a bit.
No, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller Nuggets. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the noggin. Russell Wilson way I get low and stay in the pocket. I get paid and do my dance like a touchdown. Yeah, I can't do no time to leave that gun around.
Goddamn, this shake is good as hell. Alright guys, so the first shot I'm starting with is the good old one of my favorite shots. It is the revealing shot. Now with this shot, you place the camera behind the wall and then you slowly pull up to reveal the subject and the product the subject is wearing. Either as they are in motion or they are stationary, it adds a cinematic feel to the audience to keep them in tune with the video and keeping their eyes firmly on the product and the talent. Another tip is that, as you see here, as I'm directing my head as cousin Corey, basically what you want to do, you want to pose men a little bit different. So you want them kind of at an angle from above. That's why I'm posing him on the railing right there. Is because most of the time when you see in movies like the strong-willed person or the one who's like really strong, is usually they're posing him from above so to make it look like a more dominating figure. Next thing I like to do, I like to add to the environment because I want people to see what they would look like inside an environment. So I just had Corey just kind of walking down the stairs really casually, kind of like swagging it out, just to show off not only his fit, but also the shirt. The shirt was the main product. So we can get a good clean shot of him just in the environment. All right, dog. What is you looking at? It's nothing over there. Bro, if it's a one thing niggas love to do on photo shoots or like videos, it's to gaze off into the sunset to kind of add to it. Fuck, anyway, it's cool. Another transition that I really love is the whip transition. Basically, how to get this shot is that you want to whip the camera at the end of your first shot, and at the beginning of your second shot, you want to match it with the ending of your first. So basically, if you whip the camera and it was at the wall, you want the next video to begin at the wall, just like you see here. But then later in post, you've seen them both together to make a seamless transition. All right, y'all. So I'm back again. Start to do the photo shoot giveaway. So again, I picked 3 winners. With these 3 winners, I just picked randomly out the comments. I didn't look at anybody's profile, stuff like that. So DM me so I know exactly who you are. So then we can go ahead and get the photo shoot set up and we go ahead and get it started. So for the first winner, we had Elinad Princess. Elinad Princess. It's hard for me to say that name. And the next one, we had Anthony Sales. Anthony Sales is our second winner. And the third one, we had Amara. I want to thank y'all for just like messing with me on my first couple videos. It's like I really felt the support. A lot of y'all was reposting the video and stuff like that. I'm really appreciative. You feel me? So thank you for coming on the journey with me and everything like that. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're just new to watching the video and you like my content. Again, once again, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all. I'm out.
Hey, niggas are like, yeah. Hey, plus, hey, link in the merch down below. Comment, subscribe. Hey,
Right here.
yeah.
You can have that shit, but sometimes you gotta do that.
No, for real though. Oh shit. Hey, then the commercial be rolling through. You get that commercial, that ad coming through.
Sponsored by Squarespace.